In this tutorial video, I will simply show you how you can fix if the Instagram posts you have liked options are not showing up on the Instagram app. Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. I am Bimal from Genie Guide, and in today's video, I will simply show you how you can fix if the Instagram posts you have liked are not actually showing up. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you would like to see the Instagram post that you have liked from the Instagram app, you would basically need to go ahead and then launch the Instagram application. After that, you would need to come to your profile page, then tap on the three lines from the top right hand side and then go to your activity. Under your activity, you would find the option called interactions. You would need to tap on it, and here you would find the option called likes. By tapping on it again, you will be able to see all of the posts that you have ever liked on Instagram. You could also actually sort and filter them. You could also select them up accordingly if you wanted to, and you could go ahead and simply cancel those likes right like that. You can see the unlike button as well. You could just basically go ahead and unlike those posts as well. But assuming that these options are not showing up on your Instagram app, there are a couple of reasons why. The very first thing I would recommend you to do is to simply long press on the Instagram app icon and tap on the little I button, which will take you to the app information page on Android. Over here, you will need to scroll down, go to the option called storage, and then clear cache and also clear the data files. Once you clear cache and data, make sure that you have your account details with you because you would need to log in again. And then after that, open up your respective Play Store or your App Store. Once you open up your respective Play Store, in the search box you just want to go ahead and then type in Instagram, and if you see an update button there next to the Instagram app, I want you to go ahead and update it to the latest version. Now once you finalize all of this process, now you can open up Instagram and check whether or not the options are still showing up. Hopefully one of these solutions may have helped solve the problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.